Hi guys, and today we have Bryn and Ellie with us with Chef Unicorn, and we're gonna make chocolate covered strawberries.
Very nice.
Oh, I want to say
what
something.
kind? Oh, you want to say something? Okay.
And they're easy and fun to make, and
Easy and fun to make, and okay. And what kind of chocolate are we using today, guys?
we are using milk chocolate and white chocolate.
Perfecto.
These.
Both of those. Fantastic. All right. So let's melt the chocolate and get started dipping, okay?
The chocolate and melt it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Then you want to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil into each bowl of chocolate. And then mix it up and get ready to dip your strawberries. Ho-ho!
All right. Thank you, Captain Hook. Okay, so.
Like that?
Perfect, yeah.
Okay.
And get it in there and stir it in.
Who's gonna stir it?
You are. Stir the white one. And Bren, do you want to stir the milk chocolate? All right. What are you doing over there, Chef Unicorn?
Then you drink a glass of water.
Thank you. Good job, girls. It's looking very creamy and good. It's all hot. See, the oil gets it so shiny and smooth, huh?
I got some on my hand, so I just licked it.
Yeah. All right. Very nice.
And now start Okay.
Awesome. Start dipping.
And I will go first.
You will go first. All right. She's going with the white chocolate first. Oh, yeah. All right. Perfect.
That one is done.
Great job. Alright. Okay. And Chef Unicorn's going with a white chocolate one as well. Nice job.
Maybe 3. Maybe 3. There's gonna be a chocolate one in because it's gonna be a pattern. Okay.
Here goes Chef Captain Hook.
I'm Captain Hook because I say ho ho ho. I'm just gonna be a dancer. That's all.
You want to be Chef Dancer?
Sure.
Okay. Chef Dancer sounds
So
good.
I'll make the strawberries dance.
Yeah.
So
I like that. Oh, those
Okay.
are looking
now
good.
I'm doing this strawberry, and I will do.
Okay. Very nice, girls. Looking good. Oh, yeah.
Chocolate. Wait, it goes white chocolate, white chocolate, chocolate, white chocolate, white chocolate. Oh God, it goes white chocolate, white chocolate, chocolate, white chocolate, white chocolate. Okay, I feel like that one was a fail.
I feel like it was a success. It's still got chocolate all over it, right?
Yeah, I
Bada
guess so.
boom. Keep going. Keep going.
This one. I'm gonna dip it in chocolate.
Chocolate.
Well, both of them are chocolate, but the brown one.
Oh, don't lose it. Don't lose it, Chef Unicorn. Oh my gosh.
This then white. And so we just came back from finishing dipping the strawberries in the chocolate, and then we are going to let them sit in the fridge for 30 minutes. Okay, and while those are in the fridge, we're going to put the chocolate in little sandwich bags. So if you don't have those sandwich bags, you can always use plastic wrap, and we can put those in there. So when these are done, then we can drizzle these over the strawberries. And we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Ta-ta.
And now we are drizzling putting melted chocolate on it to make it more delicious. And
Did it just come out of the refrigerator?
Yes.
Okay.
And we are doing it in a pattern if we want to.
Awesome.
And what's that? What's that? Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh.
Thank you, Chef Captain Hook. All right, Chef Unicorn, get started drizzling.
So I'm gonna do the chocolate on the white and the white on the chocolate. Jinx.
Looks great.
That looks delicious. That's why. Do you want to trade?
Ooh.
Let's trade.
Okay,
And
straight.
now I need
I'll
the
take
white.
Fantastic.
Well, that one's really good.
You could even do polka dots on one if you wanted to.
Mama's gonna come over
Oh yeah.
and say, "Girls, get back here right now."
No,
What's it? What's it? Ooh,
I don't think Mom will dance. That
That
is definitely an unlikely event.
That's an unlikely.
You know what?
Mom never dances?
Now, watch this.
Not.
Now, put a white drizzle on the chocolate.
okay.
And after that, it's my turn.
All right. Fantastic.
Beautiful.
Don't forget those two.
Leaving a mouse again.
Fantastic. Ooh, those are gonna look good.
Look at the bag.
Ah, great job.
Okay, now
All right.
I'm doing mine.
Now,
Oh, Savannah.
your turn, Chef Dancer.
Savannah. No, that one was a mess up.
It's okay. None of them are mess ups. Doing it all
Chocolate.
for fun and deliciousness. Yeah.
Chocolate is not a mess up.
You cannot.
mess up chocolate.
You cannot mess up with
It
chocolate.
is
No.
impossible.
These are gonna look
Well,
so good,
RJ in
guys.
my class doesn't like chocolate.
Really? That's crazy.
Okay, we'll trade.
Okay. So now we're trading for white chocolate. Okay.
There's mostly chocolate. Now that's how you play. Yeah, that's how you play. They're so delicious. Do we have to let the icing dry? Oh, the
It
chocolate?
needs to go back in the refrigerator after we drizzle, and then they come out after that.
Really? Aww. What, how long do we have
Alright.
to wait?
I gotta seal her.
Fantastic.
Oh,
Okay, now Chef Captain Hook,
time to do it.
it's your turn, milady.
Oh my goodness.
Should I go crazy on it?
You can do whatever you want. It's your row.
Be careful. It's definitely edible.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Get some
Or not.
I think more chocolate is the best.
The more chocolate, the merrier. Interesting technique, Chef.
Oh, that was mine. Oops. It's okay.
I love it. Okay, now white chocolate.
This is how you do that.
Try not to get your hair in the strawberries, Chef Unicorn.
Now,
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Very nice, Chef. She's got a creative edge.
Okay, I feel like that's good.
Looks great. Yes. Okay.
Chocolate
Now-
strawberries. This one kind of looks like it has spots.
Okay. Chefs, get over there.
No, I can't.
Let's take a look. Okay. Now where do they go? Back into the refrigerator. What?
Can we have one right now?
I suppose you can have one before they go back in the refrigerator.
Lena, you took one too.
Let's see the reaction here.
Okay,
Oh,
I'm going in.
going in for the first bite. Are they so
Your
good?
noises.
What do you think, Chef? Oh my gosh. She's going chocolate with the chocolate strawberry. Wow. Okay. That is intense. I think it's safe to say they like them, everybody. Okay, now the rest need to go back. Oh my gosh, what is going on over here? Okay. Oh, I hope your parents aren't watching this.
It'll happen
Oh
eventually.
yeah. Okay. Fantastic. Okay, now the rest need to go back in the fridge, and then we pull them out and to show you the final product.
And now we drizzled all this sauce on, and now, and then we put it in the refrigerator
For
for
30
probably about
minutes.
20 because it's a little more damp.
Then the first layer of chocolate.
So let's try it.
They look fantastic, guys. You did great. Those look like professional chocolate-covered strawberries.
Oh, are you getting one?
Oh, baby.
Hey, we got the opposite.